Hi guys, this is Ryan from Ryan's Reviews, and thanks for choosing to watch my review of Invisible. So today I will be giving an open and honest review of Invisible, and I will also go over some of my own custom bonuses that I've put together for any of you who feel after watching this review that Invisible will be something good for you. So to start with, Invisible is a product created by a new up-and-coming product creator called Zishan. Zishan is an affiliate marketer from Pakistan who has managed to work his way up to the top of the leaderboards on Warrior Plus. And right now he's getting hundreds and thousands of dollars a day just from doing affiliate marketing. And he's managed to do this without video creation, without posting on social media or AdWords or anything like that. So this is something really interesting, especially for those of you that don't want to show your face on camera, or if you have a job that might interfere with this kind of work. You now have a way where you can do it and you can be completely anonymous. So another thing I should add, just to vouch for this, is that even though Zishan is new, he is experienced and he does have income proof to back up his qualification. He's also partnered in making this product with both Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. Now, Jono, I'm sure most of you have heard of him, but if you haven't, he's a super affiliate that is now earning between $20,000 to $50,000 a month, and he dominates the leaderboards in JVZoo and Warrior Plus. And Jono was actually a student of Brendan Mace, and Brendan Mace, of course, is another super affiliate. So they're well known for putting out quality products such as Eclipse or Octane or The Lost Code. The list goes on, and these have all been very good products. So the fact that he's partnered with these heavy hitters is a really good sign for the quality of this product. Now, of course, I do have review access, and I have tried out this product myself, and I do think it is a very good product, though it does have a few downsides that I should tell you about soon enough. Now, before I go into this product and tell you details about it and show you the back end, I should show you a bit about the bonuses. Okay, so there are vendor bonuses which come with this product, okay? And the vendor bonuses are at the bottom of the sales page. Now, the vendor bonuses are pretty good. You have 2,500 pre-written email swipes, which is pretty useful. You have the 10K email manifesto, which I think is by Brendan Mace, which was once a paid course. And then you have Jono's exclusive YouTube ads training course, which is also very useful for just scaling up and maximizing your profit. Now, these bonuses are great, and all the other affiliates are going to be giving these bonuses away, as I will be. But I've also put together some of my own custom bonuses, which if you do choose to get Invisible through my link, which is in the bottom of this YouTube description, the bottom of the video, I think you'll be very impressed with these bonuses, because some of them I have not seen anywhere yet on the net being offered, not even as courses that I'm aware of. So the first one that I'm going to offer, I'll just put my picture over here, is called the lead swapping hack to explode your list. Now, if you don't know what lead swapping is basically where you share your leads with a partner. Now, there is a legal way to do it that is safe and that is CAN spam compliant, which I will show you in this tutorial, because that's very important. You got to make sure that you're following all the different CAN spam acts, rules, and regulations when doing this. But I'm going to show you a legal way where you can get, as soon as, next week, 100,000 tier 1 email subscribers from the United States. And that every week you can get, from 10,000 to 300,000 email subscribers through a very unique lead swap program that I have access to. Okay, it's a lead swap program and a lead partnership program. So in this tutorial, I'm going to give you several videos showing the legalities of it, how it works, and how you can get a ton of leads. And I'll tell you, these leads are really good. With 100,000 leads, you can basically write one email and you can get 1,000 targeted clicks to whatever sales page you want. So I'll let you use your imagination to think about what that will mean for your earnings. Okay, the next bonus I have here, which I think is very appropriate for Invisible, because Invisible, it teaches you how to use both free and paid traffic in a very unique way to get profit. And he shows you how to drive that traffic, obviously, to a lead capture page and a sales page, and how to set up an autoresponder to get the most out of that traffic. That is a part of the training. It's a very small part of the training. But what I felt was missing from the training is he didn't really talk a lot about how to get the most opens on your emails and how to get a high click rate. And more importantly, how to avoid having your emails sent into the spam box. And this is a problem that all affiliate marketers have, both beginners and advanced. And there are specific methods to prevent that from happening, which I go over in here. And of course, I give some really useful hacks to increase your click rate and your open rate. So you're going to want to get this, because if nobody's reading your emails, you're just wasting your time, okay, and you're wasting your money. So you want to make sure you get this tutorial. Another tutorial I put together is free traffic mastery. Now, Zayshan's traffic methods are just amazing, and he gives some really original approaches to free traffic. But I felt that he could have given some more free traffic methods, and then it never hurts to have a few more extra free traffic sources. So I've put this together for you as well. And basically, it's a full course on free traffic, which I'm giving to you. Bonus number 4 is a tutorial on high commission affiliate programs. Now, in Invisible, he does show you how to use funnels and how to get high ticket commissions through other people's funnels. And he shows you how to get $100 commissions, even $300 commissions. And this is great, obviously, okay? And this is one of his ways that he's making thousands of dollars a day. But if you want a fast track to making thousands of dollars a day and tens of thousands of dollars a month, there are other high ticket affiliate programs that are not available on Warrior Plus and not available on JVZoo, which I use and which you can use, which can get you $1,000 commissions per sale. Sometimes $3,000 commissions per sale, and can get you monthly recurring commissions of $300, $400, sometimes $500 per sale every month, just from one sale. Okay, so I think this will really help you maximize the training that you're going to get in Invisible. And then, of course, last, all of the vendor bonuses that I've shown you already on the sales page. Those will be included as well. But these top 4 bonuses, they're only available through this link in this video. And you can shop around and see other people's reviews and look at other people's bonuses. But you're not going to see a bonus where you can get hundreds of thousands of leads and hence thousands of free traffic, free targeted traffic. Okay, and you're not going to see these other bonuses either. These are custom made that I've put together specifically to enhance and get you the most profit out of the Invisible method. So enough about my bonuses. Let's jump into the Invisible method a bit more. Now, another sort of disclaimer I'd like to make is these sales pages on all of the Warrior Plus products, they do tend to exaggerate, in my opinion. And this page is no exception. So, they really grab your attention. They say $14,286 in 3 days while staying invisible. This is theoretically true. Does that mean you're going to make that much money when you start it tomorrow? Probably not. If you use it right and you really work to get all the components working, you'll definitely make a few $100s in a day and maybe $1,000 in 3 days. Again, it depends on how good you are. But you're definitely going to make money, and you're definitely going to make the money immediately if you use the training. And they go so far as to say that if you don't make $500 this week, we'll give you double your money back. So they're very confident in it. And I have tested it myself, and I'm very happy with it as well. Before I go into the back end, I'll also let you know the prices and the funnel itself. So the front end product includes an app, and it includes training on how to use the app, and that's for $12.95. And the app basically lets you search for solo ads that have a high reputation for sales from previous customers, but have a super low price so that you're guaranteed to make a profit from your solo ads, okay? Now, the upgrade, the first upgrade is a pro version of that app, which will allow you to have unlimited searches per day. With just the front end, you only get 20 searches per day. The second upgrade for $197 is the double your money hack. And this is where Zayshen, he has, I think, private label rights, or at least full license rights to 8 products, okay, 8 high converting products. And he will give you those rights where you will then get 100% commissions on the entire funnel for these products, okay? So this will really allow you to skyrocket your earnings without having to do all of the work. Okay, and the next upgrade is the Ultimate Traffic Package. And this is 7 hours worth of video training on AdWords, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and SEO. Now guys, if you want to be a super affiliate, really mastering paid traffic like Google and YouTube ads, that's the doorway to becoming a super affiliate, okay? And as well as mastering SEO. And there are a lot of details to cover, and there are many cheaper courses that cover these things, but none of them are complete. But this package is going to give you everything that you need, all of the bits and pieces, and all the parts of the puzzle. And on top of that, there is my favorite, which I actually have. That is the if you pay for this $197, you're also going to be allowed to give, I think it's Jono and Brendan, you can give them your Google Ads pixel, and they'll put it on their sales pages. Now, their sales pages get tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of visitors, visiting them. And these pixels will collect that data, and then you can use retargeting ads on Google, which will allow you to get high converting traffic for less than 10 cents a click. So that's worth looking into. And the last one is the license rights to sell Invisible as your own product. Now, this is a really good product, but you might want to see how well this is converting before you make that decision. But I think this product is going to convert really well. So if you have that money, that would definitely be worth it as well. Okay, I've said a mouthful, and I really got to cut this video short. So let's jump into the members area. Now, this is my review version of the members area because it still isn't launched. But if you come in here on the dashboard, for those of you that are familiar with Jono, you have him introducing the product, introducing Zayshen, and basically giving you an overview on what to expect from the product and how to use it. Okay. And then you have the trainings, and then you have the app, which is a solo finder. And this app is so cool. I used it yesterday, and I already got 2 sales from one solo ad where I paid just $25 for it. So it's already just gone beyond paying for itself. I'm just waiting for my autoresponder to make me a few more sales. Okay, and so that was just with a $25 test run. I can't wait to put in $100, maybe $300. And you get a whole whack of traffic going to my sales pages. But anyways, let's look at the training here. Now, I can't open all of it because I don't want to give away their product here. That wouldn't be fair to the vendor, but you can see the first one is this is a video where he goes into great detail on how to find the right solo ad and how to make sure that it converts. And there are a lot of details that he talks about that I've never heard anywhere else and that I never used myself. And because of that, I'd always avoided solo ads. I was never very successful with solo ads. And like I said, until I used his method, it's the first time I actually got above breaking even on a solo ad, which was yesterday. Okay, so he goes over that in great detail here. And if you scroll down, you have another set of trainings for using Facebook ads as well. And here's another one that I haven't tried it yet, but it looks very interesting, is using Quora to get sales. Now, I've used Quora to drive blog traffic and for ranking. I've never tried it for getting sales before, and apparently he's making a lot of his money using this as part of his method. So I'm very excited to try that out as well. And I'm very curious to see what his methods are. Okay. Here I looked at this, how to make $50 to $200 just by suggesting names. Okay, and there are many other trainings here which I won't go into because I don't want to give too much away. But let's, we'll go over here. So, he also gives you an opt-in page template. Obviously, you have support. Now let's take a quick look at the app. Now, what's really cool about this app here is he allows you to target specific solo ad vendors that have a reputation for getting sales within specific niches. So here you have, I think this is internet marketing, make money online, you got health and fitness, you got a whole load of other different niches, okay? So if you were to, let's say if I picked romance, that niche, right? If you pick one of these niches, they're immediately going to give you in search for the best solo ad provider for that niche based on statistics analysis and based on price, okay? And if we go back, we can also find, we can try make money online. Actually, I shouldn't be looking at too much of this because I don't want to give it away, but as you can see, this app is pretty amazing. So guys, you really want to check this out. You won't be disappointed. Like I said, if there are any small things that could be added to make this better, one would be for him to go into more detail on autoresponders. Now, he does teach you how to use autoresponders. I can't remember where it is, but it is in here. And he does give some interesting hacks on getting higher conversions from autoresponders that I'd never seen before and never used. Okay, I just feel that it would have been helpful if he gave more tricks on avoiding the spam box, and getting a higher open rate. Now, I take care of that in my bonuses, but that's really it. Other than that, I think this is a very amazing product, and like I said, I'm very happy with my test results that I've gotten with it so far. So comment below. Let me know what you think about this. And if any of you have tried this out, please let me know in the comments. It'd be really awesome if people could compare the results. This will help other people who want to make an informed buying decision. And please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.